I have stepped into this tiny pond. This is called theerthakulam because this is in a place of worship. The water tastes amazing. The water is so natural and tastes amazing. Want to splash? So this is a small water body. I have my feet dipped in the water. It does not look very deep. It does not look very deep. It looks like it's shallow. However, I will not step into it further. I will not step into it further. Why? Because it could be dangerous. It could be dangerous and I will get all wet. Look, there is a frog. There are 2 frogs, 3. Can you see? Oh, there's 4. Oh, they're jumping around. Can you see them? Can you? Right there. One of the frogs is holding to a stick. I can see it from here. What a pretty sight. There is a frog there. There are stones stacked around me here. There are plants and weeds growing through. There is algae stuck to the rocks. I don't know what a tumbi is called in English. A dragonfly. A dragonfly is flying around. It's quite nice and cool. I can hear the frogs jumping around and they're making this plop sound in water. Plop. Come, let me show you the frogs. Come. Carefully. Walk carefully. See? If you come over and if I step up a little, I can point at the frogs, okay? There is one. Can you see it now from my perspective? There is one. And there are many frogs over there. See? Plop, plop. What am I going to do? I'm going to throw a stone at the frog. Watch. Whoa, it's jumping around. Now it's 2. Now it's 2. And so many. So looks like the frogs are having a good time in this tiny water body. മലയാളത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെ എന്ത് പറയും? തീർത്ഥകുളം എന്ന് പറയും. അമ്പലത്തിനോട് അടുത്തുള്ള ചെറിയ കുളമായതുകൊണ്ട് തീർത്ഥകുളം എന്ന് പറയും. തീർത്ഥകുളത്തിന്റെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അറിയില്ല കേട്ടോ. But it's very beautiful here. It's a small water body. The water tastes amazing. There are plenty of frogs. I threw a stone at the frog as well. Write all these down. There are quite a few words this time. Write all these down and keep watching Surya's Simple English. We will even learn with the frogs.